Well, hello my dear YouTubers. It's been a while since I posted a video, but today I'm working on my Honda, just doing basic maintenance. I'm changing some oil again, and I took a car on a very long trip. Went to Florida, came back. I did a transmission flush, I did all the fluids. I mean, I did everything just to be safe. But today I'm just going to show you doing oil change again. I want to show you which tools I bought, or what's very easy to use and what's very helpful. So I went to Walmart and I picked up one of these 16 quart drain container. Very helpful. I changed oil once before with this and never even spilled a drop of oil. Very nice container. Highly recommend buying one. You can get up to 16 quarts of oil in there, or whatever you want. And just open this cap and you can drain it oil. Very helpful. I really love it. Highly recommend buying this. It's only like 12 bucks. And these ramps, like you've seen before, RhinoRamps, amazing. I love them so much because you don't have to jack up the car. You can just drive up on them. Nice tracks. Has this rubber stopper so it doesn't slide. Just drive up and you can enjoy working underneath your car. Look how much space there is. Cool. Now as always, I use Mobile One for my car, 0W20. And some of you naysayers are gonna say Fram is bad, but I've been using this for a long time. XG7317. 14mm wrench for my bolt. Got a new washer. You don't have to get a new washer, you can just flip it on the other side, but I got a new one. And I found these cool tools. Pick them up at I think it was Home Depot, $15. Very good Husky tools. Bunch of wrenches. Comes very useful. So basic thing I'm gonna do, like you saw me before in my videos, I'm gonna get that bolt. Just gonna get that bolt, and then we'll go to the filter. So this is 14mm. All right. All right. Loosen the bolt. Open this cap over here, and I'm going to drip some oil on my hands. That's why I got gloves. There you go. Nicely draining. Haven't even spilled a drop of oil. I'm going to let it drain. Now I did like 8,000 miles on my oil. I know I can do more, like push it to 10,000, but I decided to do the oil change every 8,000. It says 5% on my oil maintenance minder. So you see, oil is draining here, but the best results, open this little air valve, so you will get no bubbles. So we're gonna let the oil drip all the way. So just to show you what kind of oil plug I have, I bought this off eBay maybe like 3 years ago. It has a magnetic end, and costs like a few bucks, maybe like 4 or 5 bucks. It's very light, also 14mm size. So see, 14mm. Okay, so I've been using this for over 4 years. I never seen any like shavings here, like any like metal shavings, but it works very good. Like it sticks to metal pretty good. Let me show you. See? So even if you do have some kind of metal shavings or whatever, the filter's supposed to catch it. But let's just say you really like your car and you want a little upgrade, yeah, buy it. Pretty strong. And I'm just gonna take this old washer. I'm gonna take it off, put a new one, and put it back in. I'm gonna use a torque wrench. You don't have to use a torque wrench, but 31 foot-pound torque, or you can just easily tighten it by hand, make it snug. Wow, it's sticking so good. Very good plug. Alright, let's get to it. Put a new washer. New washer is in. Alright. Get my torque wrench. Like I say, you don't have to use a torque wrench. I can't even fit because of that filter. I can tighten it up later, or you know what? I'm just gonna tighten it by hand. 14 millimeter. More than enough. Now let's get this filter. So I already loosened it up because I couldn't do it by hand. Let's see. Okay, I already loosened it up with my, how do you call this tool? I already loosened it up with this. And let's get the oil out of there. Boom. This drain pan is wonderful. Haven't spilled anything yet so far. This is my second oil change. So I'm gonna wait till the oil is gonna drip out. Alright, before you put new filter in, make sure it's the right filter. Extra guard 7317, this is what's for my vehicle. And make sure you have this rubber seal. Open the oil. And put a little bit of oil on the edges. There you go. That's more than enough. I'm gonna close this so we don't want to spill any oil. I'm gonna get under the car. I'm gonna get under the car. I'm already under the vehicle. That's where my oil filter goes. I'm gonna clean that area. Just like this. I'm gonna get my new filter, which is right here. Make sure there's no gasket left. Make sure there's a gasket here, new gasket. Perfect. Screw it on. Nothing inside, no garbage. Good, good, good. Screw it on. Right. There you go. Has to go easy. Just like this. Bam, bam, bam. Tighten it by hand and you're done. Just double check this pan oil. Double check if it's tight enough. And this is 100% tight, like very tight. Some people say, oh, don't over tighten it, you can break the gasket. Just tighten it by hand, don't use any tools. You know, tight enough. Good. This tight. Good. Here, I want to double check this. More than enough. Don't even over tighten this. Alright, let me get out of here. Next step, take your oil cap off. As you see, 0W20. Put the funnel in there, and we're gonna add 4.5 quarts. 4.5, baby. Service manual says 4.2. I usually put 4.5, and it's right on the dot. Nice and clean. Full of oil. Very good. So I got my Honda off the ramps. It's on a level, even surface. I'm gonna recheck the oil one more time, just because I'm paranoid. And let's see the levels. It's right on the top hole. So, perfect. Oil level is perfect, right on the top. Can't really see here, but it's right on the top hole. 4.5 quarts, all you need. Okay guys, a little bit bonus video. I want to show you. Some of you will say, hey, Fram filter is not good, don't put it, you're gonna ruin your car. It's all BS. These brands of Fram, Tough Guard and Extra Guard, like I use Extra Guard and Tough Guard. But last time, I don't know why I put Tough Guard. This is a good filter. Very good Fram built filter. I'm going to cut it apart just to quickly show you what's inside, how it looks. And I've been using Fram on my other car, Cadillac, for 300,000 miles. And on Honda for 250. And now this is my new Honda. Well, 2012, relatively new. But I'm going to open this filter. Okay, here it is. I took this filter apart, and here's what I find. Now this filter is Fram Tough Guard 7317. The one I put in my car, XG 7317. Extra Guard Ultra Synthetic. So the medium is different and it has a metal end. And this one, Tough Guard, has it's like a hard cardboard, but the way it feels, it's solid. I'm squeezing it right now. Very good. The filtration media, it's still like also very solid, and I'm pushing it down with my finger, like I'm pushing it hard. See, it's not even, doesn't even feel like smushy or anything. Let's see. The inside has a metal frame on the inside. I mean, it's not coming apart like some people bashing Fram, but this is like Tough Guard is a little bit cheaper than Ultra Guard. Ultra Guard is better construction, but still, like this, I'm pushing it very hard on this, and it's like not even falling apart. Same thing, like I can still easily go on this filter. If like you can go 15,000 miles on this. Anyway, this rubber piece, when it's not rubber, it's silicone, feels very nice and soft, not even dried up. I'm not a good reviewer, I can't review this very well, but I'm just showing you. This is pretty good filter. This is anti-drain back valve. Works. The spring is still feels very good, strong. And Fram uses more filtration holes, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. This is the first time I'm taking the filter apart, just to show you what this looks like. Fram. But this one looks a little bit different inside, ultra synthetic one, the XG. But if you want, you can easily just, without any worries, buy Tough Guard 7317 and everything will be fine. Don't listen to those people who say Fram is crap. I mean, I did my own research. I called a bunch of engineers. I asked them, watch a lot of videos. The cheaper one, Fram, that's different story. I mean, you can go 5,000 on the other ones, but this, you can easily go 10,000 miles, no problem. 10, 15,000 miles. So, it concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed. Any positive comments, any negative comments, doesn't matter. I'll take it. No problem. Thank you guys for watching.